I mean, here's the thing too, like you could sign up for it, but you're not going to really have to know, like it's a done for you service. So you don't have to get overwhelmed by all this shit. Like we already know how to use it.
Yeah, great. So you do what you got to do. One thing I do want to make clear though, is there's two different sides of this business, right? There's like the type of customer. Okay. So there's going to be the type of customer who wants to buy land that's near them, like land for sale near me. Because if you look at Google, that's one of
Okay,
the,
so then, dude, we could run a fucking funnel, like a quiz funnel that literally has that in the headline, and then we split test it versus, you know, find the right piece of land that's right for you, that has the right cash flow that you want, or whatever that angle is. I know it's probably not the right wording, but like we could say find local property near you to invest in for as low as $80 a month. And then the second landing page, we just test the headline, same quiz, but we just test the headline and see which one converts the most.
So the land for sale near me, I personally believe that is not our customer. The reason for that is we have a very select type of inventory. So we only have inventory in like 4 places. Michigan.
So we're going to be limiting the ads to a couple of states then?
No. We're limiting our ads to the intent of our customer. So
okay.
Meaning if someone types in like cheap owner financed land, so we want to focus on owner financing, and we want to try to find people that say cheap land for sale. So we don't want specific places, because some of those people just want to buy in their backyard. And like, you know, we don't.
So you're looking for people who are just looking to buy cheap land.
Anywhere.
Anywhere. Okay.
Yeah, and most of our customers are US based. More than 90% of them are out of state. So they'll live in New York and they'll buy something in Arizona.
Okay, that's understandable. Okay.
And go ahead.
No, New Yorkers are gonna buy land more, honestly. You probably have a lot of customers from New York for sure. Shit.
Yeah, so look, these are these are marketplaces, all right? Land Flip, Land Watch. So we are on, like, we used to have this membership, and they generate traffic, and it's like a bunch of, they don't sell any land themselves, but these are marketplaces. So there's we pay a marketing subscription to be on their website.
I like
but it. Billy Land is probably the biggest advertiser on Google for land. And I actually talked to Google, like one of their rep people, and they said these people spend like 5 figures a month on Google.
I mean, that's actually not a lot of money. I spend more than that.
Yeah, I mean, for this industry though, because you know what I mean? Yeah.
All right. Billy Land. Interesting.
Because the thing is, your industry is like,
yeah, it's just more guerrilla marketing. I get it. Yeah.
Yeah. So you think about what you want to do, man, but I think we're onto something pretty special, in my opinion, because a lot of these companies, even on LandWatch, they make you put like 20-30% down of that amount. And we've set it up where you have no interest, no credit checks, and no extra fees. And
see, that's the shit that's not even on the landing pages. Like, those are things that you need to be fucking using as infatuations. Like, I'm telling you right now, I run a fucking quiz funnel. This is going to crush.
Yeah, let's do it. I just want to give you all the information that you would need to fully understand this properly. So, yeah, you know, this is us right here. And these people get like, I think it's like 13 million visitors I think they said per year or per month. I'm not exactly sure. But this is owned by, this is owned by CoStar Group. So like, these people acquired the land.com network. You know, so they're pretty much the leaders in the marketing for land stuff. You know, so a lot of these people, they'll see our properties, you know.
I mean, dude, this all makes sense. Like, this is, for me, this is really easy to understand. I mean, you're just basically finding people who want to buy land. I mean, this is not like, dude, we have other clients who are selling like way more complicated shit, man. This is like really easy. Like,
What information would be helpful for you to?
well, that's what I'm going to get from you for onboarding is like a little questionnaire, like a Google form, so that we kind of know the pain points and whatnot. And then like inside Slack and whatnot, I'll ask you questions and et cetera. But I think the biggest things would be, you know, who the actual ideal avatar is. Why is the land so valuable? Like, what is the average increase? Like, why are they actually buying the land? Are they buying it just to buy land, or are they buying it because they know that they're going to sell it in 3 years for X amount increase in profit? Like, I just need to know the pain points of why they're buying it and why there's less friction involved in your sales process. If I can know those two things, then I'm fucking chilling. So if you could just make me a bullet list of, hey, here's why this is so easy and has no friction. And then the second list is simply, you know, why are people actually buying the land? Like when I talk about actually buying the land, I'm talking about why do people actually buy a Lambo? They don't buy it because the car, they buy it because they want women to look at them. They want to get laid more. Like I'm talking about the real fucking minuscule reasons why they actually want to buy it. Do they just want to buy it to show off and put a certificate in their office that they own a piece of land? Like, dude, there's a lot of little reasons why people want to buy this. And you need to think about the emotional triggers behind it. Because if I can put those in the FAQs, like right below the quiz funnel, then I can answer their objections. And then also like little emblems, like, are you BBB accredited? Do you have Trustpilot reviews? Like I need little pieces of social proof as well. So make that your third list. Like what things do you have that are going to make them trust you?
Yeah, and the thing is, it's like any business, like we have, you know, I just showed you like 300 customers, and we have a few people that like try to leave bad reviews because they didn't like something about the process, which is everybody.
I get that too, bro. It's all good.
Yeah. So what we're doing to combat that is I hired Baden Bauer, the PR company.
Okay.
So they're about to do like the as seen on stuff.
Okay. Cool.
So yeah, so there's going to be like Business Insider and like just a couple of other ones. So we're going to plaster that everywhere on our listings. We're going to put that on our website.
And then we can use these, these testimonials. I could use this. Yeah, this is not going to, we're all good.
Yep. So yeah, dude. Oh yeah, send me that questionnaire. I'll get it going. When do you think we can be live? And do you have a sample of a quiz funnel? Because I've never seen that.
So a quiz funnel is like literally like this. So let me kind of just send you. Like,
do you want me to stop my screen?
Yeah. Okay. I'm writing an SOP for my team, so I'm just showing them what a short close funnel. This is literally what it is. This is it. It's just a small lander, and then underneath this will be benefits, testimonials, FAQs. And it's a small landing page that just gets them to answer questions, because then what can you do? Your sales rep doesn't have to fucking build so much rapport on the call. They now know like, okay, well, this guy is willing to inject X amount of money. He has this amount of money to invest. You know, he wants to buy land for X reason, and he wants to buy land because of this increase and whatever. And then when the sales rep gets on the phone, he's like, okay, well, I saw that you know, have this is your credit score, blah, blah, blah. You have this much cash to be able to inject, blah, blah, blah. You know, I have a couple properties that you might want to see, you know, can I share my screen? And then you get into it, and then he's closing a fucking deal before you know it. It's more custom to the actual lead.
Great. Cool. Yeah. Instead of running traffic straight to our website, I'm curious to see how this is going to be, because it's great that we have a sales team already.
Yeah. I mean, dude, like I run this for a guy who sells ready to buy businesses, and he gets a cheaper lead cost with this than anything else, because people's curiosity and the way they think, they just want to know if they qualify for something. They want to fill out a quiz. Ever since we were kids, we took quizzes in school. We took quizzes in high school. We're like so fucking programmed to take quizzes. That's why if you look at big companies like V-Shred's a huge fitness company. And dude, like they're huge in the direct response niche. But as soon as they started running this quiz funnel, like this is what it is. Take your free body type quiz and you just answer all these questions, and bro, they make 200 mil a year. Like, and I know the owner, and he fucking went from like 0 to 200 mil in like 3 years, bro, just because of how fucking good this quiz funnel is. and then you put in all your shit, and then they watch a VSL. Like, I'll just bullshit this, but and then they send you to a VSL. And then you watch a video, and then dude, the video is like over 20 minutes long. And then at some point in the video, then the thing pops up below it for them to like buy this $67 product. But that's why quiz funnels work, because people are like, dude, I need to know if I qualify. Like, I want to find out what is actually costing to me, because curiosity drives everybody's decisions. If I told you what properties to buy, now there's no fucking secret. There's no curiosity. There's no reason for me to opt in. I'm just going to look at the price and the price only. But now that I know that there's something custom for me based on my answers that's going to best fit my financial needs, then now I feel more willing, because I don't feel like I'm being sold. I feel like I'm being like taken care of.
Yeah.
It's like meal plans. Like when you go to a meal plan website, they ask you like, what's your favorite veggie? What's your favorite protein? And they're building you this meal plan. And then you get to the end and like, it's so hard not to fucking finish and buy it, because now all your meals are set based on your preferences. You're not just going to get whatever the hell they decide to give you for the week. And then now you might be stuck with a day of not getting what you want to eat because you don't like that protein. You don't like that carb.
Dope.
Dude,
Yeah.
I've been running quiz funnels for so many clients. Like, we switched all our lead gen to quiz funnels, and it crushes every fucking time.
And then after they submit the quiz funnel, can we redirect them to the website still?
We can, okay, so they go from quiz funnel to book call page. Then once they book their call, we can redirect them right to the website. So you can get them on the Facebook pixel on there as well.
Yeah, and it's like we still get the website visitor.
Well, you still get the website visitor, but you also get the lead info, because before they go to the book call page, now we have their name, phone number, email, and then they go and book their call. So now we have a booked call, lead information for an appointment setter, and then they go to the fucking website.
Great. And then for a booked call, do you use Calendly or something?
No, Go High Level has its own. So Go High Level has its own calendar built in. All you have to do is just add a Gmail account. Whatever Gmail account is your sales rep, we just log into their Gmail and you fucking add it. And Chris does that with you during onboarding, but yeah.
Great. Okay.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency. For the past 4 years, I've helped